Good day to all. Today we are going to see the topic of pneumatics. That pneumatic components and the system. Before we going to enter into the topic, what is that meaning of this pneumatic? See, previously we have seen about that hydraulic. I said that what is the meaning of hydraulic? If the process will taking with the help of that oil, that is called hydraulics. Here the process, simple term we can say, in the process will take care of with air. Instead of oil we are using here air. This is called pneumatics. The process will taking with the help of the air. What are the topics we will cover here, and what are the pneumatics good for, and how pneumatics work, and the pneumatic system, and variations on the theme. These are all the things we are going to see today. See, what are all the pneumatics? The mechanism which is used air pressure to apply the mechanical force and displacement. For that mechanical work and displacement with the help of air, that is called pneumatics. Then the pneumatic device were used are basically a binary actuator, either retracted or extended. See, as we know already, what is that meaning of that actuator? Actuator, we can simply say it's a mover, right? Likewise, it is also a binary actuator, either for retract procession or extended process. Here you can see, for a simple example of this cylinder, this is the retracted cylinder. The piston is inside here. Here it is the extend cylinder. This piston will come out. For this process, if we want to go insert the piston from here to here with the help of this air. This is the main thing in that pneumatics. And what are the pneumatics good for? First one is mechanism recovering two discrete states. Gear shifters, gripper articulations, lifters, brakes, and significant force or displacement. These are all the pneumatics goods for the process. Then the strength of this pneumatics are mainly it is very simple. Construction wise also, process wise also, it is very simple. And another thing is, see, if we are going for this pneumatics, the same as the hydraulic also. The main difference here is we will use that certain filters for this air also. Then here the strength, another strength is easy to control. We can control easily with compared to other system, and can apply lot of force from a small and light package. We can apply more force here, and the force is limited by air pressure and cylinder diameter. No adverse consequences if cylinder is stopped. No stall motors or reversed compressed air is spring. These are all the main advantages in that pneumatic systems. The drawbacks or disadvantage of this pneumatics are it is a significant weight. It's more investment with the 10 legible in pneumatic system. It's needed for the first pneumatic device. And another thing is the cylinder can be subject to damage. We cannot we have to give a more secure on this system because the cylinder can be subject to damage at any time. And another thing is if it is any repair will occur in that pneumatic system, we have to repair it is impossible. We cannot repair for this process and not well suited for a non-binary actuation. As we said before, it is for binary actuators. The process of pneumatic is mainly involved in the binary actuators. So here it's not well suited for that non-binary actuation. These are all the drawbacks of the pneumatics. If you are compare with that advantages, see the advantages are simple and easy to control and can apply a lot of force from a small light package as well as reverse compressed air is a spring. These are all the advantages, but disadvantages mainly for that repair is impossible and not suited for that non-binary actuators. These are all the disadvantages also will occur here in that system. If you are going for an industry, we will see about the pneumatic actuators are extensively used by the chemical process industry due to their intrinsic safety and their ability fail safe with the spring return. See now this diagram you can see this is the two position pneumatic actuators with the four-way ball valve. It is written on the roof. You can see here it is the two position. It's indicated here. You can see at the top of the wall. This is the four-way ball valve. The operation will takes with the help of that air. And this diagram you will see pneumatically driven flow control valve. You can say a butterfly type valve also. See you can see here this valve connected with some process. With this air the process will take care. The process will occur at what extent we need to have, whether it will process for a retraction or extraction or extension. This will happen in that particular process. Again just we will overview of this pneumatic. See it is similar like that hydraulic also. There is a one pump and it will connected with that control valve and flow valve. With that we will have a piston. Already we see in the piston will move extension or a retraction. The main difference here it is in hydraulic will used oil for the process, whereas here in pneumatic we will use the air. These are the main difference here in that pneumatic system. As we see before, it is a very simple main Disadvantage is the repair is impossible here. That's the main disadvantage. That's all about that pneumatic system. Thank you.